Is your camera on?
It's on.
So you're going to take me to jail with no underwear on as a male officer. That's harassment.
Cops showed up after Mother of the Year turned her home into a horror show. And right as the cuffs came out, she told her 12-year-old, "Don't say a word." Perfect, raising the next generation of silence and shame.
I want to fill out a police report. No, baby. No. I was cutting french fries. See what I got to deal with? Do you see what I have to deal with? This is the same time they came in to have a conversation with me. I was cutting french fries. And I dropped the knife. If you had my granddaughter in the room beating on my granddaughter, she'd have snatched me.
Can I talk to you back here?
You're a liar.
Is there anyone else in the house other than
No, it's me and my baby. Talk to my granddaughter. She's 12 years old. I'm not allowing my child to speak to no officer. She got to go.
We gotta calm down a little bit.
Go over there, okay? I'm gonna speak with her, alright?
Okay.
Officer Callahan, Bloomington PD, Bodycam's on our team here, reported, okay?
Hey there.
What happened?
She was cutting french fries. I pulled out the dinner for my child to eat, some meatloaf and gravy and rice. I told her she was eating up for dinner. She got irate, turned around with the knife in her hand.
Who got irate?
She did.
Okay.
She's going through. This is the second time that officer's been here. I'm not allowing my child to speak to you on your camera. I'm just going to let you know that. So she turned around with the knife in her hand. I knocked her cane to the floor. She approached me with the knife, told my daughter she'd be eating the fries. I said my daughter won't. My daughter said she'd be eating it, so I popped her in her head and said, "You're not eating no fries. You're going to eat whatever I cook you." And so she got irate, came in. My daughter started crying. She got irate, came in, snatching on me. And we got to yelling at my child and told my child, "I'm your mother. You eat what I give you." And so she got irate, had the knife again, came into the room, and dialed 911. And I told her, "Dial 911. You're the one that's irate. You're the one in your hand. This is my motherfucking child. And if I wanted to discipline my child, I could." Okay. That is it. That is all.
Okay. So, that's a little fast, but let me see if I got everything, okay?
Okay.
So basically, Grandma, right? Yeah. Grandma's making French fries, okay? Yeah. She wants to give her French fries. You don't want her to eat the French fries.
I told her, what I said was that she was having gravy and meatloaf and rice.
Okay.
She got irate.
So Grandma then gets irate with the knife in her hand because
she's going to eat the French fries.
Yeah.
Or she's not going to eat the fries. She's going to eat the meatloaf, rice, and green beans.
Okay.
And she got upset.
Okay. And then
liar.
So she had the cane and the knife in her hand, and
the cane I knocked to the floor. The knife she had in her hand, I knocked the cane to the floor.
Yeah, so she had the cane and the knife in her hand.
She did not.
Oh, you just knocked the cane down.
100%.
Okay, so you just knocked the cane down.
That's a startlement.
Yeah.
As the knife was in her hand.
Okay, and did she say she was going to cut you or anything like that, or was just the knife like just in her hand?
The knife in her hand looked like this.
Okay.
If you don't get out my face, I'm gonna because I lay your ass out.
Yeah.
I'm 42 years old. You 67.
Okay, and then so why did you bop her in the head?
Because she kept talking back to me about wanting the fries and eating the fries, and I told her that's not what she was eating. She's eating a 4-course meal.
Okay, so then
I'm her mother.
Okay, so then so she said, "Then I want to eat the fries." You said no.
I said no.
She was talking back, and you bopped her in the head. When you say you bopped her in the head, was it like a open hand?
Should have V8.
Okay, and so then
against the law.
there's parental discipline and stuff like that. Okay,
100%.
so yeah,
so that's the extent of that.
Yeah, so I don't see any marks on her head or anything like that. Okay, and then so then after you bop her in the head, she got more mad.
Down 911.
Okay, and then so you bop her in the head. She still has the knife. You said that.
100%.
Did you go to a different room or did she go to a different room?
My daughter went into the room. I went into the room to grab her so she could come back and get her hair done.
Okay.
And she dialed 911.
Okay.
Grandma's seen it all before. Mom calls it discipline. Everyone else calls it abuse. Then she told her kid not to say a word on camera because nothing ruins a lie like the truth.
Okay. So then so your daughter goes to her room, you go to the room to grab her. Did Grandma follow you with the knife?
Yes, let me show you right. Has a black handle.
Oh, I believe she had the knife in her hand, don't get me wrong. I believe she had the knife in her hand, I'm not saying that at all. So you then go to a different room to go get your daughter, and she has the knife in her hand, she's calling 911?
Yes.
Okay. Let me just...
She's still there.
Okay. But besides, the bop to the head, no other physical complications like that? Okay. Okay. And then, hold on, ma'am.
I don't want her getting
I understand that. No. We're not going to go over there.
I don't want my child. I don't want my child's name in your police report. Can you please stop pushing me?
No, because you cannot go back there.
You're being forced on female. That's against the law.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I'm not irate with you.
I'm giving you a direct order.
I know. I'm not irate with you.
I understand that. I appreciate that. So go ahead and sit over there, okay? Sit over there while I speak with him, okay? Alright?
Awesome. Okay, do a job.
She said that she's cooking fries. Because she said that the grade baby fries. And she came over and grabbed her shirt, like chest area, and then threw the cane down. And then the grandbaby came running here, and supposedly she was like punching, grabbing the baby, like right in here. That's it.
She was at running barks. So basically, what she said was, she wanted the fries. She said no. She started talking about it. Saying, I want the fries. She said no. Bopped her in the head. Uncle this point, in my opinion. Said no because she was talking back. And then she said she had a knife in her hand, and that's when she was in the cane. She knocked the king down to get her to basically stop pointing the knife at me. And then the kid then ran in the room. She went up to the kid to go get her hair done, and then she came back in here with the knife on the phone that one.
Yeah.
So I think we just.
Yeah, it's kind of too long. I want to talk to her so they no longer. We gotta figure out some sort of resolve this issue of some sort because we're gonna be coming right back here.
Oh yeah. Okay. So, just with everything going on, okay. Is there anywhere else you guys could go for the night? I'm not saying you have to leave.
We have no family here.
Okay, I was just wondering if there's anywhere else, just for the
You make sure that it's minor child Adams and not Tori. I want my child name.
I hear you loud and clear, okay? Basically, right now, where we're at is we want to end this problem, okay?
It's not a problem.
I think, well, it seems like there is. You know what I mean?
It seems like it's not.
There's a reason why we got called here.
Who's irate? Her or me?
When cops tried to get the story straight, Mom kept cutting in, wouldn't let her kids speak, and begged not to put the child's name in the report. Meanwhile, Grandma's version didn't match hers. But one thing's clear, someone's fists did the talking.
I mean, you guys were both yelling at each other when we
Who
were
had the knife? Me or her?
You-
I asked for a police report.
yeah.
Why don't you get a police report?
I already told you that we're going to have one documented, okay? When
So are you gonna give me a copy of that?
I can't physically give you a copy.
Why? It's state law that you're supposed to give me a copy of the incident report.
There's no.
Is it an incident report?
I can give you.
Is there an incident? Is there an incident?
See, now you're being irate.
I'm not being irate. I'm asking you state protocol. Is it this
We're
an
in state.
incident?
We're in state protocol. Is
Okay,
okay? So like I said, there's a FOIA, okay, Freedom of Information Act, okay? Once we generate the report and get everything going, you could FOIA this report, okay? And you could get the whole copy yourself, all right? So, that being said, clearly there's a conflict here, okay? We don't want to have to come back out here or someone else,
You don't have to come back out here.
Okay,
She had
so
a knife and she put it on
So
me.
what's the
That's a problem.
what's the solution for tonight?
You came out here, and that's just that. That's just that. She has a problem. That's just that. I have nowhere to go, me or my child, and so that's just that. What I'm not going to do is leave my child here with her. She had a knife.
Okay.
That's a problem.
No, I hear
so
what
she can stay in her little 50 feet or 25 feet away from me, and I'll stay away from her. I'm here doing something productive.
Yeah,
She's
I'm not saying you're not.
Okay, awesome.
Okay. So
we can switch officers.
You
if
guys,
you like.
no, we're not gonna play shop a cop, okay?
Okay.
What we're gonna do? See, you're just being ridiculous.
I'm not.
right
You're
now.
doing the same thing.
No, I'm trying to talk to you.
You're puppet mastering.
I'm trying to talk to you, and,
Okay.
you're just kind of insulting me now.
I'm not
for no reason. You just called me
I'm
a
not.
puppet.
That's what we're doing.
Okay.
So awesome.
So she has. We're not going to speak with her, okay? Basically, she has nowhere to go, okay? But she said she's willing to not speak with her for the rest of the night.
Racism.
Yeah, she's going to pull this card. So
I am going to pull that card. You don't want me to talk to your partner. You're here both on an incident.
we're not going to do a shop a cop thing, okay? You already spoke with me about everything like that, okay?
Why can't I speak to your other officer?
Because we're not going to.
I'll talk to you. Can you
Thank
talk
you.
to her?
No.
Well,
She's
I
a
want to
minor.
talk to her about what
She's a
happened.
minor and I'm her mother. I do not want her speaking.
Well, I believe she saw something.
I believe she did not. She's a minor. She's my child. I'm her parent and guardian. I said no.
Can you tell me what happened?
I'm your parent and guardian. I said no.
Oh, she's not in her head that she saw something.
Pardon?
She's not in her head that she saw something.
She didn't tell you that.
She just nodded at me.
No, she didn't.
Mom kept arguing, blocking her kid from speaking. The girl finally said Mom hit and pulled her hair. Mom's excuse? I was just braiding it. Sure, nothing says love like a slap in a salon session.
Yes, she did.
No, she didn't. It's
Okay.
Miss.
So, do you want to tell us what happened?
Your mom hit you. How many times?
How often do your mother hit you? Is what he's trying to ask you.
Nope, I'm asking her how many times
I don't
you hit her.
discipline her. So ask her the correct questions. Ask her
How many times did she
questions.
hit you in the head? Was it just 1, 2, 3?
Was grandma pulling you as well? You're a liar.
Yeah.
No, she
Yeah.
didn't pull my hair.
No, I
When you said she pulled your hair, what did she yank on your head? Okay. Did you like fall back or anything like that? So when she pulled on her hair, just so I understand, okay, was it like, hey, come here, or was it like a come here? And she like kind of yanked on you. So my last question for you, man. So I know she said you pulled on her hair. How hard did you pull on her hair? Just be honest with us.
Not hard at all.
Is there a reason you hit her?
For talking back to me as I told her no, and a command as a parent.
Okay. So I know you said you didn't pull her hair hard at all, but why do we have a whole? Why do we have a whole? Why do we have a whole?
Questions from you, please?
Now, why do we have a whole strand of hair? Why do we have a whole strand of hair?
He's being very forceful.
Here's a question. Why is her hair on the floor? Because usually, you pulling someone's hair is, I would say it's parent discipline. Like to pull someone's hair out.
I'm African American and I'm braiding her hair. It slipped out. I'm braiding her hair. I'm African American and I'm braiding her hair.
I understand that, but we're talking about this hair piece that's over here. There's a hair being pulled and the hair came out.
I'm doing her hair and it slipped out. I'm braiding her hair and it slipped out.
Also, a parent discipline thing, I don't think anything with punching would be like involved.
Did she tell you that I punched her?
Yes, she did.
She did not tell you that.
Yes, she did.
No, she did.
Alright, you're under arrest. Stand up. My name's Manback.
Let me put on some shoes.
We'll put your shoes on. So.
Okay. No, that's fine. That's really what I'm saying. Shoes, please.
Alright, hold on a second. Okay, where are the shoes at?
In the room.
Which room?
In that room.
In this room?
Yes.
We're at in the room of the shoes.
Alright, can I put on some underwear?
Yeah, it's perfectly fine.
Okay, awesome.
Just hold on a second. Where are the shoes?
My hands are handcuffed. Let me put on some underwear.
Okay.
We're not doing all this.
I have no underwear on.
Okay.
He's taking me into custody.
Well, sorry, you don't have underwear. How are you supposed to put on underwear at this point? Because you're in custody.
With grabbing them and putting them on.
You can do that with your hands behind your back and cuffs.
Can you uncuff me so I can put them on?
I'm not uncuffing
So you're
you.
gonna take me with no underwear on? Is your camera on?
Yeah, it's on.
So you're gonna take me to jail with no underwear on as a male officer? That's harassment.
She called it harassment and cried about not wearing underwear. Justice meant drama. Only one was dressed for it.
Ask me for your shoes, okay?
That's not. It's cold outside, sir. Can I get my gym shoes?
Where are the gym shoes? And what shoes are they? Are those Converse right there?
I'm not going in here.
Flip the light.
The
so I can see.
isn't working.
I can show your flashlight, sir.
Where in here are the shoes?
He's asking me a question.
Okay.
I didn't ask you to come in here. I'm saying
I'm
where are
trying
the
to
shoes?
show you right there in the corner. You're not looking with your flashlight.
These black ones?
100%.
Okay, step back out. I'm gonna grab the black ones for you.
Mother. Oh, I don't care. I'll get right out.
Good, fix that.
Sorry. I'm showing you your camera.
I'll just put the shoes on the ground for her.
Yeah.
What about a jacket? Am I not allowed a jacket?
I'll pull my car up here every so
Here's the coat.
Oh, that's cute. Thank you.
I can't put that on. My hands are cuffed.
That's fine. We're gonna put it on you. Show ID?
You can leave that in the pocket with the ID. Everything else you can take out the pockets. Tori, put the shoe on me.
We'll get her in your car and then.
Sounds good.
I'm not scared.
10-4. This one. Say what?
I didn't say anything.
Oh, okay.
I have a device in my vaginal area. That's a federal device.
I'll let the child know.
That's fine. It's a 911 call.
So what?
It's a 911 call.
What does that mean?
It's a device federal agents are watching. So just to let you
It's not like
know.
a firearm or anything. It's like what?
It's a cigar phone for 911. Are you familiar with the 911 Second City thing? Or New York, anything like that?
No, I'm just sure. You take a seat and I can talk to you about. What is it?
It's a cigar.
Cigar.
Yes. It's for 9/11. It was entered in from the city of Chicago. I don't know if it'll beep or anything like that, but it's in my vaginal area.
Is that something you're able to take out?
No.
No, it's
It's from J.B. Pritzker. It's a government call.
so they do like this thing to make sure like no one has codes or anything. So I don't know if they'll show they'll be kind of switching.
If not, that's fine. It's in there.
She ended the night with a battery charge. Maybe next time she'll try parenting without violence or pants.